Ever thought about starting a business where a machine prints murals and signage for your clients? Well, people are doing it right now and are making impressive profits. This is the wall printer, and today we're breaking it down in the simplest way possible. The wall printer is a vertical printing machine that literally prints artwork, logos, patterns, anything you want, directly onto walls and other flat surfaces.
How does it work, right? Well, there's a print head that faces off of this print head assembly. What it does is it sprays ink in very, very fine detail. And then that UV lamp goes and cures it. So that ink is already dry. I can have no residue on my hands whatsoever.
Based in Wilmington, North Carolina, we've been introducing this innovative technology to people all over the US and beyond. It works just like a giant inkjet printer. Only instead of paper, it's your wall. Pretty cool, right? So what can it print on? Drywall, concrete, glass, wood, brick, metal, even tile. If it's flat, the wall printer can bring it to life with high-resolution art. It's crisp, precise, and awesome to watch. Our customers range from entrepreneurs and artists to graphic designers and small business owners. Some use the wall printer to offer custom murals. Others use it to brand commercial spaces, decorate homes, or add stunning features to event venues. One of the best parts? You don't need a background in art or technology to get started. We provide the training and support you need, even if you've never used a machine like this before.
One guy said that is cool as, and I won't fill in the blank. We've already got, people that are, ready for us to serve them, but we just have to figure out how to use the machine. So,
Yeah.
but we're getting there. This training is amazing. 2 wall printers and a floor printer. Chris has been amazing. The training is great. It is a very technical machine, but he does an amazing job of, explaining how everything works, everything from the software and, the design aspects to the assembly of the machines and the operation of the machine. I mean, I came in feeling like, man, what did I get myself into? But today I'm like, we got this.
Here's something important to know. The wall printer is not a franchise. That means you're your own boss. You get to set your own rates, create your own marketing strategy, and even choose your own business name. You have the freedom to build your business the way you want, without the restrictions and fees that come with franchising. This machine offers a unique opportunity for anyone looking to start a creative and profitable venture. With low overhead, high demand, and quick turnaround times, the wall printer has helped people across the country build successful businesses on their own terms. And it all starts right here in Wilmington, North Carolina, where we test, train, and ship out each printer. When you become a wall printer owner, you're backed by a team who's been in the game since the beginning. We're here to support you every step of the way. So, if you're looking to start something new or add a profitable service to your existing business, this could be your next move. Visit thewallprinter.com and someone from our team will personally reach out to answer your questions. Let us show you how you can turn walls into art and art into income.